We're about to battle something. Everyone brace yourselves for impact. Our story began as a band of people in a psychosocial rehabilitation clinic, much like our own, went on a field trip to the local zoo and were sucked into a portal on their way.
To the untrained eye, this may appear to be but a humble gathering of heroes in the realm of Dungeons & Dragons, where players roleplay as characters of their choosing and together embark on a magical adventure.
Once there, clients met a wise Master Oogway and a powerful humanoid bipedal turtle who told them that it was their destiny to defeat the darkness.
But this quest runs deeper than mere victory over darkness. At UNM Psychosocial Rehabilitation, an outpatient behavioral health program within UNM Hospital's community-based services.
PSR is a day program geared towards developing healthy living skills to improve the quality and well-being of people's lives for those diagnosed with mental health disorders.
Some garden, others paint, sculpt, draw, or exercise. Amelia Vigil, the clinical manager at PSR, says D&D is just one of many ways the program fosters an environment of personal growth and healing.
If someone's in a space where they're not in a threat mode or a survival mode, they're able to have fun, they're open to that social engagement.
Jessica Jones and her guide dog Michonne have been going to PSR for 15 years. To her fellow adventurers, she's Jess, a druid.
You kind of get to have your own personality with your character. It's a lot more, you have a lot more freedom with the D&D.
The mustache is sentient and is known as the cryptic curl.
You kind of get to broaden your horizons and kind of like enter that almost dream world where you can kind of, fly through the air, turn huge and giant and squash things, and just stuff you wouldn't be able to do in everyday life.
Community support worker Andrew Lucero developed this campaign as the Dungeon Master.
Rule one is always have fun.
Lucero masterfully wove this magical tale he hopes will help the players build life skills beyond the books.
It's basically like a light version of life. You're able to experiment with different coping skills, different behaviors, different emotions in a safe and controlled environment.
The game may be a thing of make-believe.
Remember, we're using the power of imagination right now, so sky's the limit.
But its impact on each player is real.
They were faced with a choice: do nothing, or they can set off on an adventure of a lifetime. And then your mustache goes from like a relaxed like handlebar to like a straight like to the sides like it's on guard.